If you have a student who's stopping lessons, then what you can do is you can go to rightstartmusic.com/report, and you can click on this button that says report a student stopping lessons. And then it's going to have a little form you can fill out, and you put your name, you put the customer's name, you put the date of their very last lesson, say it's the 23rd, and then any notes if you want to put them, and then you just hit the submit button. And then that will inform me that that is the last lesson that you have scheduled with that customer. Now keep in mind, our official policy is people need to give us 30 days notice for stopping lessons. So, if someone says, oh, we need to stop, I would suggest reminding them about that or asking them to reach out to me about it rather than just saying, okay, yeah, we can stop after today's lesson. I want you to be able to be paid for lessons throughout the next 30 days. If you want to be. If you don't mind just stopping at that time, you can. But that is our official policy. So if you have any questions about any of that, always feel free to give me a call or email me, and I'm happy to help any way I can. Thanks so much.